This is a Gauss rifle, a magnetic linear accelerator that you can build on your kitchen table. Today, we're going to build one, see how it breaks your understanding of physics, and find out just how much destruction it can cause. These are the supplies needed for the experiment. They're super simple. But here's a big reminder. Strong neodymium magnets are no joke. Be careful not to get your fingers caught between them suri. They clamp down fast. Now, let's dive into experiment step 1. Glue the two wooden sticks together to form a track. That's it. Alright, next, put two magnetic balls in the track's middle. Stick a magnet on the launch end. Set a trigger ball on the other side. Watch closely. See that? The ball flying out is much faster than the one I rolled in gently. This is actually a magnetic energy trap. When it hits, the energy goes straight to the last ball through the magnet, and the first one, the last ball's far enough from the magnet. It barely feels the pull, so it shoots out with all that extra speed. Of course, one set of components doesn't make a real launcher. We can try 2 sets. 3 sets. All can easily knock over an empty Coke bottle. If you enjoyed watching me with magnets, hit that like button. Comment below what I should launch next. And if you are looking to buy high-performance magnets, welcome to visit our website. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.